Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're gonna see the performance of this RIDGID vacuum cleaner in this messy place. Okay, so let's see how it does. So you see this is the floor mat which is full of salt particles, ice salt particles, and I'm gonna try to use this vacuum cleaner and see how well it performs. Okay, so let's see guys. So it's done, like and I can say it has done nicely, because even particles between the areas where the suction was not direct, still it was able to pull them off. Of course I'm going to do one more run, but overall I like the performance of this. This is the one RIDGID. Okay, let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching.